Good morning, all of you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, today I'll be starting with the chapter of isomerism. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What do you understand by this term isomerism?
Compounds having same
Same
formula
formula.
may be different in structure.
Same molecular formula but different structure. Okay, that is structural isomerism. Then what about stereoisomerism? Apurva, I think there is a disturbance in your.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. Yeah, so I was talking about definition for isomerism. So you said compounds having same molecular formula but different structures.
हमने केमिस्ट्री क्लास चल रहा है तेरे फोन कर वो है
That is structural isomerism, but you also have stereoisomerism. So how do you define this term? Just write down the definition I'm giving you. Okay, write it down. The phenomenon in which
Ma'am, whose definition you are giving?
isomerism.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
The phenomenon in which two or more compounds. The phenomenon in which two or more compounds with the same molecular formula. I repeat, the phenomenon in which two or more compounds with the same molecular formula differ in their physical and after and you put a slash and or chemical properties. Physical and or chemical properties is known as isomerism. Is known as isomerism, and the compounds are called as isomers. I will repeat the entire definition once more. The phenomenon in which two or more compounds with the same molecular formula differ in their physical and or chemical properties is known as isomerism, and the compounds are called as isomers. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now isomerism is broadly classified into structural isomerism, and stereoisomerism. Write down all this what I'm giving you. Okay. So you have structural and you have stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism is also known as constitutional isomerism. constitutional isomerism. Stereoisomerism, you have configurational isomerism. And conformational isomerism. Structural isomerism is of the following types. You have chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism, tautomerism, and ring chain isomerism. So these are the kinds of structural isomerism. Under configurational isomerism, we'll be doing geometrical isomerism. And we'll be covering optical isomerism.
Ma'am, what is after metamerism?
After metamerism, you have tautomerism. No, Sai, this is the first thing which I've done. I just gave the definition of isomerism.
Ready कर लिया सकते हैं.
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
ma'am, what under conformational isomerism?
कन्फर्मेशन एक ही तरह का होता है.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Done, ma'am.
हाँ, tell me.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, yes, go ahead. Yes. Sakshi, I haven't done vinylic carbocation in GOC.
No, ma'am, I checked my notes yesterday. After carbocations, we have directly started carb anions.
Vinylic means a carbocation on the carbon having double bond. This is a vinylic carbocation. And this is the least stable of all the carbocations. Like जितने भी मैंने carbocations किए हैं, primary से भी कम stable है ये. Because
मैम
this
ये नहीं
carbon,
किया है.
अच्छा, this carbon is what hybridized?
sp2
नहीं,
नहीं
sp हो
sp
गया.
sp
SP
only.
SP.
हाँ, तो can I say s percentage s character ज्यादा है इसमें?
Yes ma'am.
Yes.
So it won't be stable because carbon is more electronegative. So positive charge on that will be unstable. So this is the least stable. जितने भी मैंने कार्बोकटाइंस दिए हैं ना ऑर्डर में, स्टेबिलिटी ऑर्डर में, इसको सबसे लास्ट में ऐड करेंगे.
मैम so
Ma'am.
all vinylic compounds come at the end.
Yes, yes. Vinylic carbocations come at the end.
Ma'am, so
Not
after
not carbanions. Carbocations I'm saying.
ma'am, so after 1 degree it is 2 degree
हाँ.
vinylic and so.
नहीं, after see you have 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. 1 degree के बाद just write down vinylic.
Okay ma'am, thank you.
हाँ. Okay, did you finish writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So let us start with the structural isomerism. Write down the definition for structural isomerism. In this type of isomerism, two or more compounds, in this type of isomerism, two or more compounds with the same molecular formula. In this type of isomerism, two or more compounds with the same molecular formula differ in their structures. Differ in their structures.
Ma'am, could you again say from the starting?
In this type of isomerism, two or more compounds with the same molecular formula differ in their structures. So under this, I'm starting with the first type, that is chain isomerism. So write down the definition for chain isomerism also. This is the first type of structural isomerism. Structural isomerism, I told you, it is also called as constitutional.
Constitutional.
Okay, write down chain isomerism. In this type of isomerism, two or more compounds with the same molecular formula. In this type of isomerism, two or more compounds with the same molecular formula differ in the arrangement of their carbon chain. Differ in the arrangement of their carbon chain. I repeat, in this type of isomerism, two or more compounds with the same molecular formula differ in the arrangement of their carbon chain. Okay, so let us begin with chain isomerism. Okay. Simplest organic compound we know is methane. In methane, how many carbon we have? We have only one carbon. Could you arrange this carbon in a different way?
No.
No. So
तो
methane
आप
does not
लास्ट वाला
show
पार्ट वापस बोल सकते हो क्या डेफिनेशन का डिफर इन द अरेंजमेंट
of their carbon chain. Okay. So will methane show chain isomerism?
No.
No.
No, because it has only
No.
one carbon. The next member is ethane. Can you arrange these two carbon in a different way?
No.
No.
So ethane also doesn't show chain isomerism. I take the next member, that is propane. How many carbon in a chain here?
3.
Could you
Three.
arrange these three carbon in a different way?
Yes.
Yes.
How should I write it then?
No, miss.
No, miss.
You want me to write it like this? But then how many carbon in a chain?
Miss 2.
Again 3.
No,
Again 3.
again three. This is a chain having three carbon. I'll be naming this as propane only. Am I right?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
So, three carbon also, again, you won't have any chain isomerism. In fact, chain isomerism begins from 4 carbons. Okay. 4 carbon atoms, you can arrange them in a straight chain. Or you could have a chain of 3 carbon with 1 carbon as a branch. Got it?
Yes, miss.
So I have a chain of 4 carbon here. But here I have a chain of 3 carbon with 1 carbon as a branch. Give me the molecular formula for this compound.
C4H10.
C4H10.
What is the molecular formula of this?
C4H10.
C4H10 again.
Can I say both have the same molecular formula of C4H10?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So molecular formula is same, but what do they differ in?
Ma'am, structure.
Structure.
Yes. Can I say they differ in the arrangement of the carbon chain?
Yes.
So they form a
Yes.
pair of chain isomers. This is N-butane and this is isobutane. N-butane and isobutane are chain isomers. So if you're asked a question, minimum number of carbon in an alkane to show chain isomerism, what should be your answer?
4.
4.
Yes, very good. Okay. Did you finish writing this?
1 minute.
Okay. If you're asked the number of chain isomers in butane, what should be your answer?
2.
Yes. There will be 2 chain isomers for butane, N-butane and isobutane. इसका IUPAC नेम क्या है?
Butane.
और इसका IUPAC नेम?
2-methyl propane.
2-methyl propane. Yes. So butane has 2 chain isomers. Okay. I'm proceeding. Can I proceed ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us take the molecular formula C5H12. That means there have to be 5 carbon here. Those 5 carbon atoms I could arrange in a straight chain of 5 carbon. Is this C5H12?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
I could instead make a chain of 4 carbon with 1 carbon as a branch. The branch I could place here or here. It won't matter. Do you agree? It will be the same.
Yes,
ma'am.
miss.
I repeat, the branch I can make it here or here, the methyl group. Even if I write the methyl group here, it's going to be the same compound. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay. Then I could have a chain of 3 carbon with 2 carbon atoms as branches. So these are the 3 chain isomers of pentane. Can I say all these have the same molecular formula of C5H12? Just check. Are they C5H12, all of them?
Yes, miss.
Okay. What about their names. इसका नाम क्या होगा?
N-pentane.
Pentane, commonly known as N-pentane. इसका नाम क्या है IUPAC ने?
2-methyl
2-methyl-butane.
butane, commonly known as isopentane. And this is
2,2-dimethyl-propane.
yes 2,2-dimethylpropane, commonly known as neopentane.
Neopentane.
Okay, so these are the 3 chain isomers of pentane. So if you're asked the number of chain isomers in pentane, you'll be reporting it as 3. So once you complete this, then I want you to give me the chain isomers for hexane.
मैम 4 होगा.
नहीं 4 नहीं है, ज्यादा है.
Miss 5.
Yes 5 है. Did all of you get 5?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, I'm writing the chain isomers. This is a straight chain of 6 carbon, which I'm writing first. C6H14 हो गया ये. Then I can have a chain of 5 carbon. Can I say these two are different?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Apart from this, anything else if you're getting?
No, miss.
No, miss.
Okay, so hexane has 6 chain isomers. What is the name of this?
Ma'am, 5, no?
Sorry, 5. This has how many carbon? Sorry, IUPAC name for this?
Hexane.
Yes. This is?
2-methyl-pentane.
Yes. This is?
3-methyl-pentane.
This is 2,3-dimethylbutane?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 2,2-dimethylbutane.
2,2-dimethyl.
Got it? All of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
miss.
So we saw that butane has 2 chain isomers, pentane has 3, hexane has 5. Could you relate the number of any relation between the number of carbon and the number of
N-1.
N-2.
1.
butane के
Ma'am,
कितने?
N-1.
N
Ma'am,
minus 1.
butane में N-.
ब्यूटेन के कितने थे? 2
N
थे।
minus 2.
पेंटेन के कितने थे?
Again N minus 2.
और हेक्सेन के?
N minus
5 है
1.
पर
नहीं, तो n-1 n-2 तो वैलिड नहीं है ना।
Yes, miss.
Any relation between number of isomers for a given number of carbon?
मैम इवन के लिए -1 और ऑड के लिए -2.
नहीं, फिर C4 का कितना होना चाहिए?
C4 मतलब
3 होना चाहिए।
-1.
2 ही मिल रहे हैं. Okay, there is no relation, no mathematical relation between the number of chain isomers and the number of carbon. Okay, as we go on increasing the number of carbon, the number of isomers keep on increasing exponentially. Okay, अब ब्यूटेन के कितने आए? C4 में कितने मुझे मिले?
2.
C5 में कितने मिले?
3
C6 में कितने मिले?
5.
5
Sorry, 5. C7 has 9 chain isomers. Okay. C8 has 18. C9 has 35. C10 has 75 chain isomers. Okay. So the number of chain isomers keep on multiplying. Okay. डेकेन के 75 है. इनफैक्ट अगर 12 कार्बन है तो उसके 355 चेन आइसोमर्स आते हैं. अगर 20 कार्बन हो गए सो इट इज आई थिंक 36,000 नहीं 3,66,319 इतने चेन आइसोमर्स होते हैं C20 के. C30 goes to I think 4 into 10 raised to 9 chain isomers. So there is no relation between the number of carbon and the number of isomers. The only thing you could say is as the number of carbon increase, the number of chain isomers keeps on increasing.
हम ये numbers याद रखने हैं.
C8 तक याद रख लो.
ये लिखना है.
हाँ, ये C8 तक तो एटलीस्ट यू शुड नो.
Ma'am, C10 you have written in 75, no?
हाँ, C10 is 75. Did you finish?
Yes.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम C6H14 में अगर 3 कार्बन की पैरेंट चेन और सब पे एक मिथाइल ग्रुप तो वो भी एक हो सकता है स्ट्रक्चर.
देखते हैं, लिख के देखते हैं. Come on, tell me, this is same like which one?
Third one.
Yes, because इसमें parent chain आपका ये है पूरा.
ओके
समझा?
हाँ
ये
मैम.
parent chain हो गया पेंटेन का और थर्ड कार्बन पे मिथाइल है. Have you finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
1 minute, ma'am.
अच्छा. Done or no?
Yes,
Done,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So chain is done now. I proceed to the next one, that is position isomerism. So just write down the definition for this first. In this type of isomerism, two or more compounds, in this type of isomerism, two or more compounds with the same molecular formula. In this type of isomerism, two or more compounds with the same molecular formula differ in the position of a multiple bond, differ in the position of a multiple bond or a functional group. Differ in the position of a multiple bond or a functional group.
Ma'am, could you repeat from with the same?
Okay, I'll repeat the entire thing.
Yes, ma'am.
In this
Thank
type of isomerism, two or more compounds with the same molecular formula differ in the position of a multiple bond or a functional group.
Ma'am, of a particle bond.
Multiple bond. Multiple मतलब double या triple bond. I'm repeating it for the last time. In this type of isomerism, two or more compounds with the same molecular formula differ in the position of a multiple bond or a functional group. Give me the molecular formula for this compound.
Butene.
Molecular formula क्या है इसका?
C4H8.
Give me the molecular formula for this compound.
It's again
C4H8.
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 Can I say both of these are C4H8?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say both of them have a straight chain of 4 carbon?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So they cannot be chain isomers. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
They differ in what?
Position of double bond.
Position of the multiple bond. The double bond here is placed in between C2 and C3, and here the double bond is placed between C1 and C2. Am I right? So this is butene, this is butanene. They form a pair of position isomers as they differ in the position of the multiple bond. Samjha?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the molecular formula for this compound.
Butyne.
Molecular formula क्या है दोनों का?
C4H6.
Yes, both are C4H6. Can I say in both the arrangement of carbon chain is same?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
4 carbon
Yes.
atoms in the straight chain. So they differ in what again?
Triple bond.
Position of
Yes,
double
position of the triple bond. The multiple bond has a different position. First one I've written as butyne and the second one is butanine. So they form a pair of position isomers. Are you all understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the molecular formula for both these compounds.
C3H7OH.
Can I write C3H8O?
Yes.
Okay, so all these or both these compounds have the same molecular formula for as C3H8O. 1 minute. Both have the same molecular formula of C3H8O. What about the functional group? Do they have the same functional group?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Position different.
Yes. Can I say they have the straight chain of 3,3 carbon?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the only difference lies in what?
Position of the
Position of functional group.
Here, can I say the functional group is placed on the first carbon? And here it is
Yes,
placed on
Second.
the second. So they form a pair of which type of isomers?
Position.
Yes, because they differ in the position of the functional group. They differ in the position of the functional group. First one is propane 1-ol and the second one is propane 2-ol.
2-ol.
Is this visible to you, this compound?
Yes, ma'am.
What type of isomers are these?
Position.
Position.
They are position isomers?
No much different
No,
functional
ma'am.
group.
वो मैं चेन है इसे.
Functional group same ही aldehyde है.
हाँ मैम, पर कार्बन का
Are they position isomers is my question.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
I have defined for you what is position
No,
isomer.
ma'am. No, ma'am. No.
They're structural.
अरे स्ट्रक्चरल में पोजीशन है या चेन है?
चेन है, चेन
First
है.
में
I
4
mean
carbon
chain,
है,
ma'am.
second में 3rd.
चेन है
इसमें
मैम.
पोजीशन क्या है?
Molecular
functional group
formula
का?
is different.
Ma'am, it's a 4.
Molecular formula is different.
नहीं, molecular formula is same. Who said it is different?
मैम कार्बन का अरेंजमेंट अलग है.
Ma'am, it is 3 है chain में.
इसमें position of the functional group you tell me.
Ma'am,
फर्स्ट
on
है
first.
और उसमें सेकंड है.
इसमें position of the functional group
First है.
numbering कहाँ से करोगे?
First.
First है.
Aldehyde कार्बन से numbering होगा. Am I right?
Yes,
ma'am.
miss.
So give me the position of the functional group here as well.
1.
Position of functional group here as well.
1.
हाँ, so इसमें कितने कार्बन है चेन में?
4.
और इसका चेन देखो, इसके चेन में कितने कार्बन है?
3.
So they form a pair of what?
Isomers.
Chain isomers.
Yes, they are not position. So be careful. Okay, these are not position isomers because position of the functional group is same. इसमें नंबरिंग aldehyde से होगा. इसमें नंबरिंग कहाँ से होगा? कार्बन चेन को करेंगे नंबरिंग, अल्कोहल को नहीं करते हैं. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So understand the difference between these two. These are not position isomers. These are chain isomers. Bhavya, you can see the numbering of the functional group. Functional group is का numbering ये C1 है ना, aldehyde वाला. यहाँ पर भी C1 पे ही है ना, aldehyde. So position अलग नहीं है functional group का. Okay. हाँ, this is an example of chain isomerism, not functional. Oh, sorry, not position. किस तरह का आइसोमेरिज्म है ये?
Position.
Chain.
चेन
ये फर्स्ट कार्बन है ना अल्डिहाइडिक वाला?
5 रहेंगे और उसमें 4 रहेंगे।
यहाँ पर भी अल्डिहाइड का कार्बन कौन सा है? हाउ विल आई नंबर दिस?
1
1, 5, 4.
Which
the
type of
2, 3, 4.
isomers? Which type of isomers?
Chain.
chain isomers
These
again.
are again chain isomers. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, miss.
Did you finish writing this?
1 minute, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
so ma'am, we can summarize that any pair of isomers where the carbon is position different, all can be classified chain isomers, right?
हाँ, कार्बन चेन अलग दिखेगा ना आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
You're talking about chain isomerism, right?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम ये पहले 3 एग्जांपल नहीं है क्या चेन आइसोमर्स?
नहीं, ये पोजीशन
देखिएगा
आइसोमेरिज्म है, ये भी पोजीशन है और ये भी पोजीशन है।
ओके मैम।
लिख लिया?
Yes, ma'am.
What about this one? Which type of isomerism is this?
Position.
Very good.
Position.
Yes. Can I say these three are position isomers?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is 1,2 dichlorobenzene, 1,3 dichlorobenzene, and 1,4 dichlorobenzene. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
So they are again position isomers. Could you give me the total number of?
I have a doubt that every time will it be like that functional group having carbon will be a chain isomer.
Functional group having a carbon? No, not necessary.
All terminating functional groups?
Yeah, that is true for terminating functional groups. Now this is also a functional group having carbon. It's a ketonic group. Am I right?
Yes.
So can I say both these compounds have the same molecular formula?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Same arrangement of carbon chain?
Yes, ma'am.
But then what is the difference between the two?
Position of ketone.
Position of the ketonic group. This is pentane 2-on, this is pentane 3-on, correct?
Yes.
These are position isomers. But if your functional group is terminating groups कौन से हैं?
Aldehyde.
Carboxylic
carboxylic acid, yes.
Acidamide.
So then we can say that those will be chain isomers.
Always, right?
Terminating
yes,
functional group will be chain isomer.
Terminating groups with carbon. Terminating functional groups with carbon. Yes. Could you give me the position isomers for dichloronaphthalein? Number of position isomers in dichloronaphthalein. Naphthalene पता है ना क्या होगा?
Benzene attached.
This is naphthalene. इसमें डाइक्लोरो मतलब 2 क्लोरीन ऐड करने हैं. टोटल पोजिशन आइसोमर्स बताओ मुझे.
Ma'am, will it be 4?
No.
Would be
6.
16.
6.
16 तो नहीं है.
6.
Okay, I'm writing it. Can I say this is 1?
Ma'am, 9.
Wait, I'll write them.
Ma'am, 8.
Even I am writing, my dear. Just let me check.
I'm sorry.
I should have used a next page, I think. I'm continuing on the next page, okay? I'll write it here. I just draw circles inside. Okay, this I have written already. What if I put a Cl here?
It is same.
It will be same like which one?
Second one.
Very good. So I cannot have a Cl here. What if I put a Cl here?
Same.
Like which one?
Fifth one.
Fifth one.
Very good. So can I have a Cl here?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
10, man.
नहीं समझ रहा है तो पूछ लेना. Can I have a Cl here?
No, ma'am.
You can ना. देखो नंबरिंग ऐसे होता है नैफ्थलीन में. ये फर्स्ट कार्बन होता है, ये सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, सेवेंथ, एट्थ. ब्रिज हेड वालों को लास्ट में नंबर किया जाता है 9 and 10. तो अब ये क्लोरीन का पोजीशन बताओ.
1, 2.
1, 2.
हाँ, तो इसमें क्या है?
1, 3.
1, 3.
I'm writing the
1,
positions
4.
also. This is 1, 2.
1, 5.
This is 1, 3. This is 1, 4.
1, 4.
This is 1.
1, 5.
1, 5.
This is
1, 6.
1, 6.
1, 6.
1, 7.
1, 7.
this is
1, 8.
1, 8.
यहाँ पे बताओ.
2, 3.
2, 3.
2,
2,
6.
6.
ये क्या
2,
होगा?
7.
2,
2,
7.
7.
They are different. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
And marker. I don't know why it does like this. What if I write something like this?
2, 8.
2, 8.
No.
Miss, same as 1, 7 now.
इसमें नंबरिंग यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे because
1, 7.
1,
5.
2, 3. नहीं,
Miss,
पहले
1,
एक
7.
रिंग को नंबर करते हैं फिर दूसरे रिंग पे जाते हैं.
Ma'am, 1, 7 होगा.
हाँ, so this is 1, 7. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Yes.
Not going to be because it's already written. So total isomers कितने बने हैं मुझे?
10.
10. Yes, 10 10 position isomers for dichloronaphthaleine. 10 position
Ma'am,
isomers for dichloronaphthaleine. Yes, tell me.
ma'am, but why does the numbering start from left side in the last one?
यहाँ से नंबरिंग करोगे तो नंबरिंग क्या आएगा बताओ? It will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. तो नंबरिंग क्या आ रहा है आपका? 2,8 आ रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
देखो अगर यहाँ से किया तो इट विल बी 1 2 पे क्लोरीन आ गया, 3 4 5 6 7 8 पे क्लोरीन, 2,8. और यहाँ से किया तो नंबरिंग क्या आ रहा है?
1,7.
हाँ 1,7. So which will be taken as a parent chain? Numbering यहाँ से होगा या वहाँ से?
Smaller sum.
तो smaller sum of locants होना चाहिए ना?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Understood.
ठीक है. Did you finish writing these all?
Ma'am, wait.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम 2,7 सिमेट्रिकल है ना?
2,7 हाँ सिमेट्रिकल है. You will be taking this as a homework for you'll be reporting me the number of position isomers possible for this. Trichloronaphthalene means?
Naphthalene
Ma'am,
with
3
3 chlorine.
chlorines on naphthalene.
Chlorine
Naphthalene पे
attached to it.
3 क्लोरीन. हाँ तो कैसे अरेंज करोगे वो देख लेना. I'll give one more. What does this last one mean?
Naphthalene with bromine, fluorine, chlorine attached.
Yes. Naphthalene having bromine, fluorine, and chlorine. So all position isomers will be giving me for these two compounds in the next class. Tell me once you're done.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
1 minute.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, all of you are done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think position isomerism you all have understood. Next time proceeding to is functional isomerism.
Ma'am, can you show the last slide?
Ma'am, can you please check the chat box?
चैट बॉक्स में विघ्नेश ने खाली 1 मिनट लिखा है और आर्येश यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर मैसेज.
Yeah.
नहीं मुझे
हम-
तो नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ से.
No मैम, वो every 2 मिनट में ऐसा पॉप हो रहा है, like he switches it off then on again.
ओके ओके. अभी फिलहाल बंद है ना शायद कि चालू है?
बंद
ये भी बंद है.
बंद है.
ओके. Yes, Rahil, tell me. I'm proceeding ahead. Fine. Okay, write down about functional isomerism. In this type of isomerism, two or more compounds with the same molecular formula. In this type of isomerism, two or more compounds with the same molecular formula differ in their functional groups. I repeat, in this type of isomerism, two or more compounds with the same molecular formula differ in their functional groups. Okay. Now functional isomerism is possible between an alcohol and ether. It is also possible between an aldehyde and ketone. Between a carboxylic acid and ester. Between primary, secondary, tertiary amines. Between alkynes and alkadines. I'll give you examples, don't worry. Just write down this list.
So apart from this list, it is not possible in any other
नहीं,
combination.
it is possible. I'll tell you. ये सारे saturated compounds के list दिए हैं मैंने. Unsaturation आ जाएगा तो बहुत सारे include हो जाएंगे और.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'm taking alcohol and ether. Give me the molecular formula for this compound.
C2H6O.
Very good. Molecular formula for this compound.
C2H6O.
Again.
Okay. So can I say both of them have the same molecular formula of C2H6O?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What about the functional group in the first one?
Alcohol.
Alcohol.
And the functional group in the second one?
Ether.
So these two form a pair of functional group isomers because molecular formula is same but functional group is different. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Could you arrive at the general formula for an alcohol and ether? CN
Miss H3NO.
H2N plus 2O.
2N plus.
This is the general formula for alcohol and ether. For functional group isomerism, the compound should have the same general formula. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
इन दोनों का general formula corresponds to CnH2n plus 2O. इसलिए they can show functional group isomerism. So general formula for compounds have to be same in order to show functional group isomerism. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, what do you mean by a general formula of alcohol and ether?
What is general formula? Means all alcohols and ethers will, what you say, obey this general formula, where the number of hydrogen will be 2n plus 2 times the number of carbon, and there will be one oxygen in them.
So both of them obey it.
Yes. Say for example, I take this alcohol. Give me the molecular formula for this.
C3H7O. C3H8.
Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the molecular formula for this.
C3H8O.
CH8O.
Obeys the.
So can I say both have the same molecular formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But both have different functional groups?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
about the general formula? अगर कार्बन 3 है तो कार्बन n का वैल्यू मैं 3 लूंगी. So what will be the number of hydrogen? 8. Okay. So they have the same general formula of CnH2n plus 2O. Like, you know, all alkanes have a general formula of CnH2n plus 2. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All alkenes have a general formula of CnH2n. All alkynes have a general formula of CnH2n minus 2. So all alcohols and ethers have same general formula of CnH2n plus 2O. Here I'm talking about saturated compounds. What do you mean by saturated?
Single bond.
Only carbon single bond should be there. Got it?
Yes.
So this functional isomerism is only possible if they have the same general formula.
Yes. General formula same hona chahiye.
Even for unsaturated.
Yes, even for unsaturated.
Okay,
Unsaturated में भी general formula same होना चाहिए. These two compounds. Give me the molecular formula for both.
C2H6O.
C3 है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say both have the same molecular formula of C3H6O?
Yes, ma'am.
So molecular formula is same. What is different in that?
Functional group.
Yes, the first one I have written as an aldehyde, and the second one I have written as a ketone. So these two form a pair of functional group isomers. Could you give me the general formula for an aldehyde?
CnH2nO.
समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं समझ रहा है तो पूछो अब. Who said no? अभी नहीं पूछोगे तो आगे जाके प्रॉब्लम होगा. So you have to be GOC, isomerism, reaction mechanism जो है ये 3 chapter they form the basis of the entire organic. Isomerism direct questions इतने आते नहीं है, application based आते हैं उसके. This compound on reacting with this will give you how many optical isomers? ऐसे questions आते हैं. तो जब तक isomerism आएगा नहीं तब तक apply कैसे करोगे उसको? If you're not understanding, you have to ask. Okay, give me the molecular formula for these compounds which I'm writing now.
C3H6O2.
C3H6O2. Can I say both have the same molecular formula of C3H6O2?
Yes.
But then what is the difference in them?
Functional group.
group.
ये functional group कौन सा है?
Carboxylic acid.
और यहाँ पर?
Ester.
Yes. Okay. So give me the general formula for carboxylic acid and ester.
CnH2
and O2.
Can I call these two as isomers?
No, miss.
Why I can't call them as isomers?
Different
Number of
molecular
carbons.
formula. Oxygen.
Formula अलग
Carbon
है.
same ही है, number of oxygen are different.
Oxygen.
What is the molecular formula for these three compounds?
C3H9.
Can I say all three have the same molecular formula of C3H9N?
Yes,
Yes, miss.
So now what is the difference between them? Can I say this is a primary amine?
yes, ma'am.
This
Yes.
is a secondary amine?
Secondary.
And this is a?
Tertiary.
So primary, secondary and tertiary amines form functional group isomerism. इनके chemical reactions अलग होते हैं. So they are classified as functional group isomers. General formula बताओ amines का.
CnH2n.
3n. 2n plus 3.
3n.
This is the general formula for amines.
Can you explain the amines one again?
Amines, can I say all these three compounds have the same molecular formula of C3H9N?
Yes, ma'am.
But this one is a primary amine, no? Primary amine क्या होता है? Nitrogen bonded to only one carbon chain. Secondary amine में क्या होता है?
Bonded to 2.
हाँ, nitrogen is bonded to 2 carbon. And tertiary amines में क्या होता है?
3.
So these are examples of functional group isomers because their
Okay, ma'am.
physical and chemical properties are all different.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम मतलब ये पोजीशन आइसोमर्स नहीं हो सकता.
Position नहीं हो सकते हैं ये. I'll tell you why. Wait. ये कौन सा अमाइन है?
Secondary.
ये कौन सा अमाइन है?
Secondary.
इन दोनों को पोजीशन आइसोमर्स में क्लासिफाई किया जाएगा. कैसे? ये N मिथाइल ग्रुप कौन से कार्बन पे है? फर्स्ट कार्बन पे है प्रोपेन के. यहाँ पे N मिथाइल ग्रुप कौन से कार्बन पे है?
Second.
So these two are position isomers. Are you understanding?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
इसको पोजीशन कैसे है? इसका नाम ही दे दो आप. इसका नाम क्या है? Propane 1 amine. Am I right?
Yes, miss.
इसका नाम क्या होगा?
N-methyl.
N-methyl ethane amine.
Yes, miss.
तो ये ethane amine है और ये propane amine है. How can they be position isomers? Functional group ही अलग हो गया ना. ये देखो नाइट्रोजन पे कितने कार्बन है इसमें?
Yes.
हाँ, और इसमें नाइट्रोजन पे 3 कार्बन है. इसमें नाइट्रोजन पे 1 ही कार्बन है. So primary, secondary and tertiary amines are not position isomers. They are functional group isomers. Position isomerism के लिए functional group same होना चाहिए. इसमें functional group कौन सा है?
2 degree
amine है। इसमें फंक्शनल ग्रुप कौन सा है?
2 degree
degree amine। तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप सेम है, इसमें डिफर करते हैं ये पोजीशन ऑफ द एन मिथाइल ग्रुप ऑन द कार्बन चेन। समझ में आया? डिफरेंस समझा?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
So function isomerism में the degrees are different and position isomerism में degrees are same but the
yes,
position.
degree has to be same
Okay.
for position isomerism. See, I've defined for you, however defined for you position isomerism. They differ in the position of the functional group or the multiple bond. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
तो functional group तो same होना चाहिए ना उनमें? Got it?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Only the position of the functional group has to be different. This last example I'll take, alkynes and alkadines. ये राइट साइड वाला इरेज करूं जो सर्किल में लिखा है मैंने?
Yeah, ma'am.
एक्चुअली इसके लिए स्पेस नहीं है। Wait, I'll write it on the next.
And can you wait for a minute?
Okay. Are you done?
Yes.
Yes, Abhishek, you wanted to ask something? Okay. Give me the molecular formula for this. First वाले का molecular formula
This was the last one for it.
C4H6. इसका molecular formula?
C4H6.
Can I say both these compounds have the same molecular formula?
Yes.
But the first compound has a triple bond between the carbon atoms and here it has two double bonds. So this is an alkadine and this is an alkyne. Alkyne का जो chemical properties है और alkadine का एकदम अलग होता है. So they form a pair of functional group isomers. Okay. They form a pair of functional group isomers. इनका जनरल फॉर्मूला बताओ मुझे.
CnH2n-2.
So you can write it over here. CnH2n-2. This is the general formula for alkynes and alkadines. Have I done degree of unsaturation with you all?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
नहीं किया है मैंने.
No, ma'am.
Okay, next class you just remind me I have to do that. Degree of unsaturation.
Ma'am, it is a part of GOC.
Usually I do it there only because ठीक है, isomerism में भी actually it is applied in isomerism only. So we'll do it here only.
Ma'am, all the compounds that form functional group isomers, they are all having different properties.
Yes, chemical properties are different.
Okay, ma'am.
You know, functional group decides the chemical reactions. Do you know that? Like a
Yes,
chemical
ma'am.
reaction showed by an alcohol will not be same as that shown by an ether, no? Ether will show a different set of chemical properties. Alcohol show a different set of chemical properties.
Yes,
So, functional group में basically chemical properties अलग हो जाते हैं molecule के. जैसे primary, secondary और tertiary amines, इनके chemical properties अलग हैं. अब आप बोलोगे सारे तीनों amines हैं, पर तीनों amines होने के बावजूद इन तीनों के properties एकदम अलग हैं. We'll be doing this when we do take up the chapter of amines. I'll be doing the chemical properties of each type. So basically the chemical properties decide whether the compounds need to be taken as functional group isomers or not.
So that's the reason, no, why the amines are
Yes,
functional
yes.
isomers.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Last page, have you all written, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this one? Okay. Now I'll just tell you कि unsaturation आ जाएगा तो क्या होगा? Alcohols का general formula क्या है?
CnH2n
You know the alcohols have a general formula of CnH2n plus 2O. Am I right? I'll go to the next page. जैसे इसका है, इसका general formula क्या मिला मुझे? CnH2n plus 2O. All of you agree to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But if I take an alcohol something like this, इसका general formula बताओ क्या होगा?
CnH2NO +1.
+1 कहाँ से आएगा? Check the number of hydrogen.
6.
So can I say it is CnH2NO?
Yes, miss.
So this will correspond to the general formula of which type of functional group?
Alcohols and ether.
नहीं. Alcohols and ethers का तो ये है general formula.
Unsaturated.
aldehyde and ketone का भी ये formula आता है general formula. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
और ये alcohol का भी यही general formula आया.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I take this compound, इसका molecular formula बताओ.
C3H6O.
इसका molecular formula बताओ.
C3H6O.
What type of isomers are these?
Functional group.
Because this has an alcohol and this has a ketone. समझा?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
देखो दोनों का molecular formula same आ रहा है C3H6O. All of you agree to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But this is an unsaturated alcohol and this is a ketone. तो जब unsaturation आ जाता है तो general formula change होता है. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
So these two now will form a pair of functional group isomers. This is alcohol and this is ketone. Similarly, I can write an aldehyde also here. Can I say इसका भी same molecular formula है C3H6O?
Yes, ma'am.
तो इन तीनों के बीच का relation बताओ. What type of isomers?
Functional group. Functional isomer.
They are functional group isomers. Yes, Rahil, I will stop here. Time हो गया है. I have a next class coming up. All of you have given you those two compounds, na?
Yeah, ma'am.
हाँ, so उसका आंसर देना है आपको. Along with, you write all the aldehydes and ketones having this as the molecular formula. Write down all aldehydes and ketones with the molecular formula C5H10O. So जितने भी मिल रहे हैं report करना next class में. And remind me to do degree of unsaturation in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
So 3 compounds I've given you as the homework. You have to do it and bring it in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Vanya.
Yes. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. All of you are done with it? I'm clearing this off now. Chalo, bye all of you.
Bye.